If your Chevy Silverado feels like it's snapping your neck every time it shifts from first to second gear, you aren't alone. This harsh 1-2 shift is a legendary issue for Silverado owners, especially on the 8-speed and 6-speed transmissions. Before you head to a transmission shop and prepare for a massive repair bill, there is a simple $0 fix that works for roughly 80% of trucks. Most of the time, this isn't a mechanical failure. It is a software glitch in the transmission control module. Your truck uses adaptive learning to remember how you drive, but over time, these stored patterns can get corrupted or confused, leading to that aggressive jolt. The first thing you need to try is a hard reset of the transmission control module. To do this, park on level ground and pop your hood. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal, followed by the positive. Once both are off, touch the two cable ends together for 30 seconds to completely drain the capacitors in the truck's computer. Leave the cables disconnected for at least 20 minutes. This forces the transmission control module to wipe its memory and revert back to its factory default shift maps. After the wait, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Start your truck and let it idle for 5 minutes without touching the gas. This allows the computer to stabilize its idle and sensor readings before you put the transmission under any load. The next step is the most critical part of the process, the relearn drive. Take your Silverado out for a 20-mile drive on a mix of city streets and highways. You need to drive as smoothly as possible, avoiding heavy acceleration. During this drive, the transmission is relearning the exact pressure needed to engage each gear smoothly. If the hardware inside your transmission is healthy, you will notice that hard 1-2 shift start to disappear within the first few miles. If the reset doesn't solve the problem, the next most likely culprit is low or dirty fluid. Most modern Silverados have sealed transmissions with no dipstick under the hood. To check your level, you have to get under the truck while the engine is running and the transmission is warm. Locate the level control plug on the side of the transmission pan. When you remove it, a tiny trickle of fluid should come out. If nothing comes out, you are underfilled, which causes the internal solenoids to hammer the gears into place. Don't let a dealership talk you into a full rebuild until you've tried the battery reset and verified your fluid levels. These trucks are workhorses, but their computers need a fresh start every once in a while.